Right, I'm going to do a quick overview of our Instant Film Lightroom mobile preset. I have uploaded my DNG preset file to my Dropbox, so I'm going to go ahead and hold down on that, and I'm going to click Save to Camera Roll. I'm going to go ahead and open up Lightroom Mobile. I'm going to create a new album by clicking on the plus sign, so I can keep my presets separately from the images I'd like to edit. Go ahead and name that and click OK. Go ahead and click on that album you just created. Click the plus sign with the picture at the bottom on camera roll. Any DNG file you save to your phone in your camera roll will show up black and it will say DNG. That's the file with the preset that we need. So click add one photo. Take a moment for this to upload. And there you have your DNG file with your preset. So in the top right corner, click on the three dots. Go ahead and click copy settings. Click OK. Click the back arrow again. I have made a file for the images I'd like to edit with this preset. It's named Instant Film, so I'm going to go in there. I'm going to open up one of the images I would like to edit. So in the top right, go ahead and click on the three dots, click paste, and that pasted over those settings. With the Instant Film, sometimes you will need to adjust the exposure, so that's under light. I like it just a little bit brighter. So as you can see, this is the before and after with our Instant Film mobile preset. Go into another image. I'm going to go ahead to the top three dots in the right hand corner, click paste settings. This is the before and after. Sometimes I do like to make it a little bit warmer for the skin tone. If you need to adjust skin tone, which would be under the hue, saturation, and lightness, there's this little button here that says mix. So go ahead and click on that. Click on orange and go ahead and adjust the saturation and adjust the luminance. If you need the skin tone to be a little bit darker, take your luminance down. If you need it to be a little bit brighter, bring it up. As you can see, with just a tiny bit of tweaking, applying this preset, it really looks great. It looks really similar to the Instant Film look I was going for. I'm going to click on another image. I'm going to go ahead and paste those settings. Really like that look. And I'm just going to do one more. Go ahead and paste those over. Right, as you can see, it's really quick and easy to install and use these and make minor adjustments in Lightroom Mobile. If you have any questions, go ahead and send us an email or leave a comment below.